Alright petrol heads, listen up. Elon Musk has done it again. Just when you thought electric cars were just for the posh and loaded, he drops a bombshell, a Tesla for the price of a decent hatchback. That's right, the Tesla Model 2 Redwood is coming, and it's going to shake things up. This isn't some cheap knockoff either. This is a proper Tesla, with all the tech and performance you'd expect. Forget your Nissan Leafs and Renault Zoes, this is the electric car everyone has been waiting for, and it's going to be a game changer for the industry. Now I know what you're thinking, when can I get my hands on this bad boy? Well, hold your horses. The Model 2 Redwood is still under wraps. Word on the street is it'll be hitting the roads sometime in 2026. That might seem like ages, but trust me, it'll be worth the wait. They're building this thing in Giga, Texas alongside the Cybertruck. Sharing parts, you see? Clever that. So, get ready for a game changer. So, what are we dealing with here? Well, picture a smaller, more agile Model 3. It's compact, sleek, and looks like it was designed in a wind tunnel. Perfect for zipping around town and squeezing into those tight parking spaces. Don't let the size fool you though. This little beast is still packing some serious power. It'll leave your granny's old Corsa for dust at the lights. And with all the latest tech, it's a joy to drive. Now for the juicy bit, how much is this all going to cost you? Brace yourselves, because the rumored price is a jaw-dropping $17,579. That's right, you could have a Tesla for the price of a family saloon. Suddenly those petrol and diesel guzzlers are looking a lot less appealing, aren't they? Imagine the savings and the style. Section 5. Batteries included. Of course, none of this would be possible without Tesla's battery wizardry. The Model 2 Redwood is rumored to be packing their latest 4680 battery cells. These things are smaller, cheaper, and more powerful than ever before. That means more range, faster charging, and less range anxiety. You'll be able to go further on a single charge than ever before. And with more charging stations popping up, you'll always find a place to recharge. Section 6. Bells and whistles. Now let's talk tech. Being a Tesla, the Model 2 Redwood is going to be loaded with all the latest gadgets and gizmos. Expect a massive touchscreen, autopilot, and all the other goodies that make Teslas so much fun to drive. And don't forget about the supercharger network. Tesla's got you covered with thousands of charging stations across the globe. No more range anxiety for you. Plus, the driving experience is simply unmatched. With the Model 2 Redwood, every journey becomes an adventure. Section 7. Can Tesla make money? Now you might be wondering, how can Tesla afford to sell a car this good at such a low price? Well, they've got a few tricks up their sleeve. For starters, they're using a lot of the same parts as the Cybertruck. That means they can build them both on the same production line, saving a ton of cash. They're also masters of efficiency. They've streamlined their manufacturing process to squeeze every last penny out of production. Plus, they're betting big on software. Features like autopilot and full self-driving are going to be a major source of revenue for Tesla in the years to come. And let's not forget their extensive supercharger network, which also brings in additional income. Tesla's energy products like solar panels and Powerwalls contribute to their revenue stream as well. Section 8. Elon's big gamble. Now I know what you're thinking, this all sounds too good to be true. And you're right, there are risks. The Model 2 Redwood is a big gamble for Tesla. They're betting the farm on this car being a success. If it works, it could revolutionize the auto industry and cement Tesla's position as the king of electric cars. But if it fails, it could spell disaster for the company. Elon Musk is known for taking big risks, and this is no exception. The stakes have never been higher for Tesla. Section 9. The future of electric. So, there you have it. The Tesla Model 2 Redwood, a game changer, a revolution, a glimpse into the future of electric motoring. It's affordable, it's desirable, and it's got Elon Musk's seal of approval. What more could you ask for? Only time will tell if the Model 2 Redwood lives up to the hype. But one thing's for sure, it's going to be one hell of a ride. The future of electric is here, and it's electrifying.